Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be giving you guys a little bit of an update of what's been going on since we moved in. My husband and I had a plan of exactly what we were going to do when we got here and kind of like the order of things and how we were going to progress. However, in the first few days, we realized that nope, that wasn't going to work. And we were going to have to kind of regroup and reprioritize a few things. After living here a couple of days, we thought that we can live with the carpet upstairs, but apparently the previous owners had some kind of animal. I don't know if it was a small dog or a cat, but there's a lot of stains, and a very distinct odor that my husband and I just, you know what, we just can't live with. Even if we shampoo the carpets, some areas of the carpet are just a little bit far gone. And so we were not planning on replacing the carpet upstairs where we're kind of all sleeping right now. Our plan was originally to rip out the main floors and then put hardwoods down while we all stayed upstairs. Well, now we're all upstairs and we have to replace the carpet upstairs so that we can stay upstairs while we rip out the flooring of the first floor. I can't even talk. While we rip out the flooring of the first floor and then replace the floors. So that got switched. And I'll show you in just a second what I'm talking about. So yeah, our oldest daughter is very sensitive to allergens and stuff, and she sneezes quite a bit, and we don't want her to get any issues or anything because of the rug up here and what may or may not be in it. So that's going to be happening tomorrow. We got, several quotes. We went with the best quality for the best price. We did some shopping around and some researching. And this is something that we're not going to do. We're going to have somebody else do it for us, mainly because it needs to be done really fast. And we just got too many other things going on right now. And so we just want to have the professionals handle it. So that is also that. So that's what's going on right now. So here we're going up the steps up to the top floor, and as you can see, there's several stains to the carpet, and as we get to the top, you'll see that the top step has actually been chewed off at a couple of areas. Now at the top of the landing, there was also more stains, as you can see, and a lot of dark spots throughout the entire carpet, like this one that you see here. So right here you can see some of the stains. This is in our master bedroom, and this is what the carpet looks like. It's like a medium brown. I will be changing it to a very pretty and light gray, and we're going to be beefing up the padding on this so it's nice and plush. We weren't expecting to replace the carpet up here. Like I said, we thought maybe we can live with it for a little while and then just rip it out and put hardwoods, but looks like we're going to be living with carpet a little bit longer upstairs, which is fine because we've always had it. It's not a big deal. But this time we're just going to be doing it with a nicer carpet and hopefully, enjoying it while we can. I didn't want to skimp out too much on the quality of the carpet just because we're going to be living up here. But I also didn't want to spend, a ton because we don't want carpet forever. Here is the old carpet being removed. And this is what our floors look like in our master bedroom after the carpet and padding were removed. Look how much lighter it looks! Look at the difference! Yeah, I know. I want them to see the difference between the old and the new. So I am in the emergency room because my skin has broken out in this terrible rash all over right now. And it's trickling its way down to the rest of my body. I look pretty bad, like I'm ready for Halloween, apparently. So I had to cut the video off because I got my my IV put in, and I'm sorry if the camera is shaking, but they actually gave me an EpiPen, or yeah, I got an EpiPen on my thigh, and so I'm really jittery right now, and I'm on different monitors, and I'm on a allergy cocktail. Apparently I had an allergic reaction. So I'm here for a few hours for observation while the EpiPen does its thing, and I'm on like the rest of the meds on an IV right now. So apparently something happened when we took the carpet off the top floor, because we were there present when the carpet people were removing it, and there was a couple things that we had to clean up underneath the carpet because there was still something that the previous owner's pets did. I don't know what it was, but there was a part of the plywood that was still wet, and we were trying to clean it up. We don't know if it was that. We don't know if there's something else on the carpet, but apparently it has something to do with our carpet removal at the fixer-upper. And so we still have several rooms of carpeting and the stairs to do. So I was told not to be a part of that. Make sure that when it was removed, I wasn't there. It's a Sunday, and my kids go to school tomorrow, and I feel like I need to be at home, you know, getting all that stuff ready. This is obviously not where I want it to be. I feel a little lightheaded. So hopefully this will be over and I won't have any more allergic reactions as we continue working through the house. So after that incident, as you know, we painted the sunroom. We painted the floors of the sunroom. We put up our Christmas tree. My husband, the Latino engineer, made progress in the laundry room. And we finally got the sunroom furnished. So just a quick update about what's going on as far as my allergies is concerned. I just finished filming a video. It's kind of funny, you guys probably already saw this, and you see me scratching. Yeah, I just did a video earlier this week with my friend Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. She invited me to do a ornament DIY. Let me tell you something, that video was really painful to do. I love you, Heidi. And it had nothing to do with the actual video. It was just more or less that ever since I left the hospital, I have not been the same. And working on my videos and stuff has been really painful because I have some of the symptoms still left over. See, I can't even think right. The itching, the constant itching has been terrible. Like right now I'm scratching my leg. So editing my videos has been pretty painful since then. We are in the process of moving my desk and my craft room and everything out of the current room that it's in, because it's in one of my kids' rooms right now. And we think it might be the carpet in there. There's still carpet in 3 of the rooms in this house, and we need to remove it. We think that's what it is. We're hoping that's what it is so that we can identify it and get rid of it. But we need to move everything out of that room and somewhere else so that I can work, because right now it's like I'll be fine in there for a little bit, and all of a sudden I'll get dizzy, I'll get headaches, I'll start itching, and it's just makes for a very non-productive day. And that's not good. I can't have those days. So right now we're trying to figure out what the best solution is. I'll be going to an allergist and hopefully finding out what is triggering this terrible itching. I'm itching. It's terrible. That's my update. That's kind of what's been going on. That's a nice little chat from my little sofa in my sunroom. Keeping it real. So currently, this is what our living room looks like. There is the front door right there, and you enter, and this is what you see. All of the furniture that were in these rooms. This is the room where I used to do all of my crafting and working on my computer and editing. And I just couldn't be in here anymore because it was irritating me so much. So Nelson already took out all of the furniture in all of these rooms so that we can go ahead and, let's see, through here too. And this is honestly the room that smells the worst. You come in here and you just smell dirty animal. It has to be whatever is in this carpet that's making me sick. So all these have been emptied out, and my father is coming up tomorrow morning while I go down with the kids tonight to spend the weekend at my mom's while they're up here removing this carpet. So along with that, as you can see, I have my glasses on because my eyes have just been really irritated as well. Whatever it is that's in this flooring that's causing me to itch or whatnot, it's also affecting my eyes. So I got my glasses on, and they feel better. Instead of having my contacts in, they won't get as irritated. But as you can see, all this is just, it's a hot mess in my house. This is real life. This is what I'm dealing with. Let's see, the dumpster is up front. I'll show you that in just a second. So as you can see, we already have the dumpster up there. Nelson already opened it, and he's already been putting a few things that we've pulled out from inside the house. And so it's pretty big. We hope to get it full. Also, I did want to mention that this flooring, if they have enough time, they'll probably be pulling this up as well. As you can see, it's just really cheap vinyl plank flooring, and it's coming out at the seams in several places. So it might look pretty nice from afar, but it actually has a lot of just issues all around. We're also going to be, or he is, along with my dad, going to be addressing this carpet that goes all the way down to the basement. There are several areas in the basement that need to be addressed as well. Let me walk down here to show you guys. Turn on the light. So there's this carpet, and then if you walk down, there's a lot of carpet in these areas as well. This is actually a dehumidifier to get any water in the air out of here. But here is more stuff that we have not unpacked yet. Simply because we just can't do anything until we rip out all the floors. There's our other couch. There's toys. There's projects that I still haven't gotten to. And so then one other thing that they're going to be doing besides ripping the carpet, hopefully down here as well, is they're going to be removing all of this drop ceiling that you see here. We're not a fan of the drop ceiling, and a lot of moisture can actually be caught in between the subfloor and where the ceiling tile is. And again, because of all the issues that I've been having health-wise and the smell that's down here, I don't even know how to explain this. It smells old. It smells dirty. I don't even know what that smell is. But we figured we'd just open everything up, or again, my husband will open everything up, and try to let the house breathe. So that is the home and health update as of right now. And I'm going to go ahead and finish packing for me and the kids, because we are off to, or I am off to check them out early so that we can go ahead and head down to my mom's. before rush hour traffic because it is about an hour and 15-minute drive. So I want to make sure that there's no huge delays. And we'll spend the weekend down there. And hopefully I'll have more updates for you guys. The next update on the house will most likely be the floors getting ripped out. I'll show you guys what everything looks like after all the carpets and stuff have been ripped out, and then what our plans are for the floors after that. Let's see. Which is already something that was in the plans anyways. We just thought maybe we can make it through the holidays without having to rip them out first. We thought maybe we can start January after everything's, you know, all the holidays are done and New Year's and all that stuff. But it looks like that's not the plan, and we're gonna have to do it beforehand. So it's definitely been moved up on the schedule. And there's still a few things we have to do before we can put floors back down. So we're currently going over things, like options as to what we're gonna be doing with the floors in the meantime, because we probably won't be installing new floors till after the first of the year. So we'll be without floors, essentially. Just subfloor. Anyways, I hope you guys appreciated this little update. I will be back soon with another, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.